Best yoga for belly fat reduction. Hi, I'm Dr. David. Many people ask me, how do I lose belly fat naturally? The answer is simple, yoga. Today I'll show you the best yoga poses to burn belly fat, strengthen your core, and boost your health. Let's get started. Means Bhujangasana Cobra Pose. How to do. Lie on your stomach. Place palms under shoulders. Inhale. Lift your chest upward while keeping hips on the floor. Hold for 15-30 seconds. Benefits. Strengthens core, tones belly, improves digestion, and reduces stubborn fat. Dhanurasana bow pose. How to do. Lie on stomach, bend knees, and hold ankles with hands. Inhale and lift chest and legs upward, body in bow shape. Hold for 15-20 seconds. Benefits. Burns belly fat, improves posture, and stimulates abdominal organs. Naukasana boat pose. How to do. Sit on floor, lean back slightly. Lift legs and extend arms forward, balancing on hips. Hold for 20-30 seconds. Benefits. Tones abdominal muscles, reduces fat, strengthens core. Dhanurasana camel pose. How to do. Kneel on the floor, place hands on heels. Bend backward, chest lifted, head tilted back. Hold for 20 seconds. Benefits. Stretches abdominal muscles, reduces fat, and improves flexibility. Dhanurasana plank pose. How to do. Get into push-up position. Keep body straight, abs tight. Hold for 30-60 seconds. Benefits. Burns belly fat, strengthens arms, shoulders, and core. Naukasana wind relieving pose. How to do. Lie on back, bring knees to chest. Hug knees with hands, lift head towards knees. Hold for 20-30 seconds. Benefits. Reduces bloating, improves digestion, helps reduce tummy fat. Dhanurasana seated forward bend. How to do. Sit with legs straight. Inhale, bend forward and hold toes. Keep spine straight, forehead towards knees. Hold for 20-30 seconds. Benefits. Burns abdominal fat, increases flexibility, calms mind. Surya Namaskar, sun salutation. How to do. A sequence of 12 yoga poses performed in flow. Repeat 8-12 rounds daily. Benefits. Full body workout. Improves metabolism, reduces belly and overall fat. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health and fitness tips.